Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Chapter here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box episode today, guys. This box is gonna be an expensive one. It is $3,000 and it's actually from the Sneak City or SupFed on Instagram. And I'm excited to open it up, man. We've opened a couple of SupFed boxes before and they've all been very, very good. So I'm excited to see what's in this one. It's actually a smaller kind of box today, not really a big, huge box. So that makes me think that because there's like less shoes in here, the hype of the shoes will probably be higher. So that's what I'm hoping for, at least. We gotta see. And I'm gonna be opening this up real quick, but before we get into that, I do want to let you guys know that we are running back the Dream Shoe giveaway, guys. The Dream Shoe giveaway is like my thank you to everybody that watches these videos and watches the channel, supports what I do. So as a thank you to the viewers, I do give a Dream Shoe away of up to $500 in value. It can be anything you guys want, and it's super, super easy to enter, guys. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram at Untitled, and then lastly in the comments below, you guys comment your dream shoe, your sneaker size, and also your Instagram handle so I know where to contact you in case you guys win. Also to double check that you guys are following the Instagram. And that's basically it, man. Super easy. It takes like 10 seconds to enter. Anyway, let's check out this box, guys. Very excited. $3,000. Let's see what we got. And as a heads up, this is actually a sneaker slash hype beast mystery box, so there may be a mix of clothing and shoes in here. I forgot to mention that. But first things first, we have a pair over here of the De La Soul, I think, Dunk Lows. These are pretty sick, man. What size is this? This one is a size 11. Oh, that's my size too. I've never been a big fan of the De La Soul look, but yeah, this thing is actually not too bad. To be honest, actually, this one is pretty beat. If you guys didn't know, these sneaker mystery boxes can come with new or used shoes. So yeah, that's why this one has no box. And as you're about to see, it's pretty beat up. You guys can check it out over here. Definitely a worn sneaker. There's heavy toe box creasing over the top over here. And for whatever reason, I don't know what this is, but that's some kind of marking in there. That's kind of gross. Hopefully it's just dirt. Bottoms over here. Bottoms actually aren't too bad. There's like no star loss on the top and also no heel drag basically. Also, this one does have no insoles, which I noticed, so that will affect the value a little bit as well. As a heads up, all of these shoes are available for purchase at untitledway.com, so if you guys want to cop anything on there, head over to the website. It will be listed for sale up there. All right, next up is a Yeezy box, it looks like. This one is a Yeezy Boost 350 box, and for this one, ooh, interesting, size 11.5, and we have a pair of Yeezy Hyperspaces, and this looks like it is in dead stock condition, so that is perfect, man. I saw on this shoe over here, this one does have the tag, so that's what we want to see. Yeezy Hyperspace, this is one of the region exclusive releases. I believe that the Hyperspace was the one that was released in Asia. You guys can check out the tags over here. Dead stock condition, very clean design. Also, dead stock shoes always sell the best, so this is what you want to see in a sneaker mystery box. Very good pickup right here, and probably a good boost at the counter. All right, I saw this one and I have to open it up already, man. It's definitely a banger, and I think it's only hypebeast item in this box, so I'm just gonna open it up. I know a lot of you guys are sneakerheads and not really into the hypebeast side, so yeah, bear with me, but this one is a banger. Right here, we have a yellow jacket. Can you guys see that? Yellow jacket? Man, I'm super excited. Oh my gosh, this is so sick. Yo, this is fire. It's the By Any Means Necessary Nupsy Jacket Supreme. You guys can check that out, North Face collaboration. Over here, this one I think is worn previously. It does look like it's not in new condition, and I don't see any tags on here, but that's actually a good thing because this is definitely something that I would want to keep. This is actually the only By Any Means Necessary jacket we haven't gotten in a mystery box before too. We've gotten the red one and we've also gotten the black one, which is on the homie Goku over there. You guys can see that. We had both of those before, but the yellow one is actually the one that I like the best because if you guys know me, you guys know my favorite color is yellow. So I'm probably gonna keep this one, so don't expect it to be on the web store. This thing is sick. Very, very cool, and definitely a huge boost to the counter, man. I think these are going for over $1,000 right now, which is kind of insane, but hypebeast stuff, right? Okay, and I think that was the only hypebeast item. I see a couple shoes left in here. This one over here is a size 9.5 Air Max 1 Anniversary. What is that? Ooh, okay. I don't know what colorway this is called, but this is nice. It's like an aqua kind of blue color. This is actually pretty clean, man. Not a bad colorway at all. Air Max 1 Anniversary. I'm guessing this is called the aqua or something because of that blue. It's in very, very good condition, albeit it is worn though. You see those dirty bottoms over there. However, on the upper, I don't see any issues at all. There's like no scuffing, no damage. It's very, very clean. All right, two shoes left in here. This one is a Jordan 4 box, I'm guessing. Jordan 4 in a size 11. And for this one, whoa, okay. I did not expect to see these. This is good. This is good. University blue and black. Yeah, this is. So this is the Cactus Jack Jordan 4s, man. Very, very cool. In a size 11. Oof. Man, I might have to keep this one too. I've been wanting these back in my collection for a while, so I might end up keeping these. Size 11, I can fit this. This is definitely one that I'm gonna have to consider holding on to, man. What do you guys think? Should I keep this? Should I not? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, check it out up close, guys. You guys know what it is. Travis Scott Jordan 4 Cactus Jacks in that blue colorway. And as you guys can see, this color is still pretty good. I mean, for the most part, these Jordan 4s fade pretty fast. So to see this one in this level of condition, it's very, very nice. This will definitely be a huge boost to the counter because I know that these are exploding in value. But again, I don't know. I might have to keep it. We'll see. This is the problem with mystery boxes, man, is that if there's too much stuff in the box that I like and I can fit, it's a problem. I might end up keeping it all. Okay, so we got one last shoe in here. This one is an old school Nike box. And, oh shoot, it's like falling apart actually. This thing is like really damaged. Can you guys see this? I don't want to give away the shoe. I don't know what it is yet, but see that? That's not good. This one is a size 7 though, Jordan 4. Ooh, and if this is the colorway, this is a good colorway. Whoa, it is. Okay, this is a, I don't know. That was a very mixed reaction. I mean, the colorway is super sick, obviously. It's the Jordan 4 Lightnings, but man, this one does not look like it's in very good condition at all. I'm kind of upset on this one. Oh, well, for the most part, Jordan 4 Lightnings, I think these are from 2004, 2005. So they're not supposed to be in great condition, but when you guys see this one up close, you'll see what I mean. Like, this one is a tough seller because there's definitely like sole separation starting over here. I mean, for the most part, you would want to swap out the soles if you're trying to wear this thing. So yeah, that's not good to see. The upper's actually not too bad. I don't see any damage or anything. It's mainly just that sole separation that's kind of bugging me on this shoe. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this one. This is going to be a tough mover unless somebody's really like in the hunt for like a collectible or they're willing to do a sole swap to actually try to wear this thing. People keep saying that they're going to retro these Lightning colorways and they've never done it. So if you want like a yellow Jordan 4, this is like the only way you can get it. And that's actually it for the box, guys. You guys can check it out. Again, smaller box because there was more hyped items inside, so not too bad. We got the hyped by any means necessary jacket. I know that's at least $1,000. The Jordan 4 Cactus Jacks, probably close to $1,000 as well. Dead stock hyperspaces, Jordan 4 Lightnings. It looks like it's a pretty good deal. I would assume we got about 20% in the box though. Yeah, so I cut back to this video because I just finished calculating everything from that box, and as hyped as I thought the box was going to be, I come to find out it wasn't very good. Based off the calculations and stuff that we saw, it looks like the box broke even. Actually, after fees and stuff, and I was being generous on some prices, it might be that I'm actually losing money on this box. So yeah, just wanted to make sure that I came back to this video to like clarify my thoughts on it because I want you guys to have my genuine opinion of the box. And this one, even though I thought it was good, like when I was filming the video, it turns out it wasn't very good. Yeah, I got kind of burned on this one, but that's okay. We will still try to get more boxes in the future because they can't all be bangers. Anyway, let's cut back to the rest of the video. And again, I do all the calculations and stuff after the video, so I'm never really sure until the end, but I feel pretty good about it. Anyway, if you guys want to buy any of these shoes, again, check out untitledboy.com. And again, if you guys want to enter for your chance to win your dream sneaker, then don't forget to enter the dream shoe giveaway down below, man. And I'm going to bring this up right here, I guess, because I've gotten some weird complaints about the dream shoe giveaway, which is very strange. People are commenting saying that the dream shoe giveaway is rigged because people aren't picking like off-white Jordan 1s for their dream shoe. But for the people that actually read the directions, I mean, you can't get a $500 pair of Jordan 1 off-white Chicagos. Like, the limit is $500. So for the people that are like calling it like a scam giveaway, which is really weird because I'm giving away free shoes, why would that be a scam? That's the reason why, man. There's only so many shoes that are up to $500 in value. But as this channel continues to grow, and if you guys share the videos more and you guys share the channel more to your friends and homies and stuff, as we start to grow to like 500,000 subscribers or something even bigger than that, then I can start doing values of like maybe $2,000 or $3,000 for a real dream shoe, like the big ones. But for now, I am still a small YouTuber, so yeah, bear with me, guys. Like $500 out of my own pocket every single month to give away a dream shoe to one of you guys is a lot of money. It's not cheap at all. Like, that's very expensive, actually. And again, I'm a smaller YouTuber. I'm not like at the level of Seth Fowler or Harrison Neville. So yeah, my income is not nearly as high as those guys. So kind of bear with me on that. And yeah, I don't know why. I just wanted to kind of express my thoughts on that because I was a little bit like disheartened, I guess, to see people complaining about me giving away $500 every month. But I don't know. You can't please everybody, I guess. So whoever wins, congratulations to you. And if you guys don't win, then I hope you guys stick around and continue to support the channel because there will be a lot more opportunities to win. And all of these things are free, so it's not very hard. Anyway, I don't know. That's my little mini rant, I guess, over there. Just wanted to kind of vent my feelings on that because yeah, I don't know. I just kind of disappointed about that. But I know a lot of you guys are still out here showing love and stuff, and that's the most important thing to me. So thank you guys for the people that do show love and support, and that's the reason why I always give back to you. But anyway, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha, shoots!